I'm back. Hello, I'm here to do another video. Today's going to be a really quick one, I think. It's just a first impressions and review of the Summer Fridays skin tint. So this is their sheer skin tint. You know how much I love a tinted moisturiser, so it's only right. I feel like it's only right to test this. This cost me £42, by the way. Is it worth £42? It's probably one of the most expensive tinted moisturisers I've ever purchased, so it better be good. I bought the shade 3. I don't know if this is the right shade, whether it will be too light for me or I should have gone one darker. I really wasn't too sure. It wasn't super clear on the website, and I tried to go on Summer Fridays to kind of do a little bit of a comparison, and even that wasn't all that clear. And you know how dreadful I am at matching my skin online. Like, I struggle. This is what the box looks like. I can't talk today. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I just can't seem to get my words out. Anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. Very, very much Summer Fridays. I do have their face cream. So this is their Cloud Dew oil-free gel cream. They do have very, very pretty packaging, I have to say. I also have one of their face masks, which I have never actually used it. I never opened it, and I don't know if it's still in date, but it really confuses me, dates on products. But anyway, if you haven't opened them, but it says you've got to use them within 12 months, is it 12 months from when you've opened it? Or how long you've had it? Because how long was it sat in the warehouse? So how long is that 12 months? Anyway, like this says 12 months. From open, 12 months. But then surely it goes up. Anyway, I digress. I always digress. So yes, very pretty packaging. It's just a twist off. You know what it reminds me of? Lottie London packaging. Just, I don't know if you've ever used their, oh, it's leaking. I don't know if you've ever used some of their products, but it kind of comes in packaging like this. It kind of exploded a bit. It's quite runny. Is that the right word? Yes, it is. It is quite runny. It's quite watery. It does say on here, shake well before use, smooth over skin in the AM after your daily skincare and SPF products. Lightweight formula can be layered in more coverage if more coverage is desired. So I love a natural skin look. That is just kind of like my go-to. You know it from, if you've been with me for a very long time, you know that's kind of more my style. So I like the idea that it's sheer. I think on bad skin days or no sleep days, potentially having something a little bit more that's got a bit more coverage makes sense, or just slap on a bit of concealer. I'm just going to go in. At the moment, I think it is a decent colour for me. May just be, nope, it's perfect. Wow, go me. So I think you might need a little bit more than what I put on. I put like maybe a larger pea size amount. I'm going to add another layer onto it just to see. And I need to obviously do my forehead. This is the problem with having a fringe now. Kind of got to get into your forehead without messing up your hair, but how is that possible? Anyway, I'm going to add a bit more because I feel like it's not really, I mean, it's covered my entire face, but it's not really gone anywhere. Right, so I'm just going to add in like another like pea size amount just to see if it does add a bit more coverage, or whether it just looks a bit too much on the skin. No, I think it looks fine. It does blend in really well. I think it's a nice, because it's sheer, I think I probably could have gone one shade darker if I wanted to, especially as it's coming up to summer and I tan like no tomorrow, so the sun hits me and I'm browner than I was 20 seconds before. But it's definitely a good shade for me. The test for me is always on my nose. If it doesn't blend on my nose, it's a no-go for me. No, this does. It feels dewy on, if you can see. Like, it's actually blended in really nicely. Like, I think it's got some nice amount of coverage. Like, it's not too much, but I do see what they mean about if you want to build it up a little bit, you can, but I don't think you can build it up too much without you noticing that it's not super like smooth on the skin, where what you want with something like this is for it to just melt in. That's my opinion. I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my makeup. Sorry, I'm back. I've just done the rest. Well, I've just added a bit of extra makeup on top, which looks, well, it's just super basic, but I just added a bit of extra to see what it looks like, and it actually sits really, really well. Overall impressions, you know, the shading was really good on me. I think it matches my skin very, very well, which is a surprise because usually I'm useless at picking a shade. So yes, that was good. It applied really easy. Is it worth £42? Okay, I'm going to be honest, no. I mean, you could find just as good as skin tint, or even better skin tint. I mean, I have done so many reviews on tinted moisturisers and skin tints that, to be quite honest, there are better out there for less money. I mean, Laura Mercier, I'm still huge fan. This is always in my makeup bag. This is their tinted moisturiser, oil free. This is impeccable and it's cheaper than this. Also, another one that I always carry these days is my Typology, and this is their Type 3 Medium Tinted Serum. This is beautiful on the skin, also very dewy and glowy. I also wear the Iconic London, which is like £27, and I use the shade Neutral Tan, and this is incredible too. So to be honest, not worth the price. It's not worth the price. I mean, if it was like £25, yes, go grab it. £42 though, no Summer Fridays, unfortunately not. Beautiful product, but not worth the price. Like, I don't understand why it is that price point, but I guess the branding, you know, that is, you know, what they feel they can price it at. But to be honest, it's not. It's good, but it's not really worth that amount of money when you can get so many amazing, just as good / even better products on the market for cheaper. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry, I'm forever waffling on. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's great to kind of be back. I don't know when I'm going to be doing my next video. I do have a load planned in my calendar, but I just never get around to filming half of them. But I do have some exciting things coming up, especially because I start my new job soon, which is a whole different story, like in a little vlog that I need to do and give you like a bit of more of a life update. And there's a lot of stuff going on, which is why I haven't been filming so much. But there is so much happening that I just really would love to kind of share. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I have missed you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.